Welcome to Planters TV. How everyone doing this morning? This morning is a wet morning. The earth is wet and the plants them is smiling. Here I have some pepper. These are some Bonnie green pepper. I buy them at Lowe's. These are some cucumber, and these are some okra. So with these plants right here now, I'm going and start preparing a place for them. The place, I already cut the grass. Now I'm going to dig the hole. If you stay tuned with me, I'm going to dig the hole and then I'm going to show you how I plant them. Okay. So here I have some peppers. Okay, let me try keep the peppers them close to each other. Is there any room? You know they grow very big and they bear a lot. So I have this little patch with pepper. They already blossom. They already have a small pepper. So I'm wondering, should I plant them close by or should I plant another patch somewhere else? You know what I think? I think it's best for me to go somewhere else because they're gonna spread and they're gonna need room. So I'm gonna walk and I'm gonna look for small areas that I can plant them. I don't wanna go too far. I'm still looking if there's any room that I can plant them. But I really like to plant pepper everything by itself. Pepper, cabbage, collard green, everything separate. That's how I like to do it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna search and see where can I plant some pepper. It's not much, it's just a few, but so I'm gonna plant them in this little area here. So I love to use this far. You know, I love to use it because it's helped me to rake up and soften up the root, the earth really nice. And you know, you press, you rake it up like this. You take your foot, you press, and you rake it up like this. You go around the other side, you press, and you rake it up like this. So now, you have a hole in the center. So what I do, I shake out the little grass, and the hole in the center, I soften it up. You see? So now you have a nice hole to plant a nice pepper. So I'm gonna dig it down because I love it to be very deep. So the deeper you plant the plant is the stronger the plant gets. The roots able to spread and it produces a lot more for you. So this is one hole right here for the pepper. I'm gonna give a next one right here. Not too far, but you have to give them room to spread. Yeah, I go right away wrong. I dig, then what I do, right away wrong, then I soften the center. You see? Then I go down, I pick up these grass and move them away, and I soften the center. This is my way. I bet everybody else have their own way, but when I plant like this, I have no regret. So I'm just giving you an idea of how I plant my vegetables. So I'm not gonna dig and plant for everything. I don't wanna get you bored. So this is 2 holes that I dig for the pepper. So I'm gonna walk up here and I'm gonna go and get some pepper, and I'm gonna plant 2. Yeah, bell pepper. I'm gonna plant 2 for you so you have an idea. Usually I do not buy them like this. What I do, I go and buy my seed and I set my own seed. And I take care of them, then I plant them out. I transplant them. So let me just show you how I plant. So now, this is my hole. So I go down in here and I soften the dot. I take it around, soften it nice. This is the pepper here now. So what I do, I dig the hole deep and then I place it inside here. I have to do it this way because I'm basically using one hand. One hand to video and one hand to plant. Look how beautiful this looking here already. So that's pepper number 1. I'm only gonna do 2 because I want you to see how I'm doing it so you can do your own right in your backyard. You ain't got to have 10 acres of land. You could have a small area in your backyard. You see what I did? I soften up the hole, dig it a little deeper, and I press the plant. Now what I did, I bring the dot and I shake it around the plant. Okay, that's plant number 2. So you see, I give them space. So when they grow, they could just spread without anything bothering them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.